Seniors, top 4. Juices to restore vision and memory while you sleep. Stop ignoring that morning brain fog and the constant squinting at your phone because your biological hardware is failing and you are running out of time to fix it. If you are over 60 and noticing that your memories are becoming grainy and your vision is dimming, you are witnessing the oxidative rusting of your most precious organs. Most seniors accept this decline as a natural sentence, but in reality, you are just suffering from a micronutrient drought that is starving your retinas and your neurons. You are currently allowing metabolic debris to pile up in your brain and eyes every single night. But by introducing these 4 bioactive liquid catalysts, you can flush the system and spark a level of clarity you haven't felt in 20 years. If you don't act now, you are essentially letting the lights go out on your independence. But these juices are the emergency generator your body has been begging for. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with vision and memory loss for life. The first liquid powerhouse is wild blueberry juice. This isn't your standard grocery store juice. We are talking about the deep purple antioxidant bomb that contains high-velocity anthocyanins. From a clinical perspective, these compounds are vascular keys that unlock the blood-brain barrier. As you sleep, your brain undergoes a glymphatic wash, and blueberry juice acts as the detergent that helps move amyloid plaques out of your neural pathways. Studies have shown that seniors who supplement with these berry compounds see a neural spark in their short-term recall and verbal fluency. You are essentially rewiring your cognitive speed while you dream. Beyond the brain, the anthocyanins in blueberry juice irrigate the tiny capillaries behind your eyes. Your retinas have the highest metabolic rate of any tissue in your body, meaning they produce the most waste. If you don't flush that waste, you get cloudy vision. Blueberry juice quenches the free radicals that cause retinal burnout. You aren't just drinking a beverage, you are armor plating your macula against the erosion of time. You will notice that night glare becomes less intense and fine print becomes sharper within just a few weeks of this deep purple protocol. The second juice on our longevity list is organic pomegranate juice. This is the ultimate vascular scrubber. Pomegranates contain a rare molecule called urolithin A, which is a mitochondrial repair signal. As we age, our cellular power plants in our eyes and brain become sluggish and dirty. Pomegranate juice instructs your cells to perform mitophagy, the process of eating the old broken mitochondria and building new high-efficiency ones. For a senior, this is metabolic insurance. It ensures that your energy-hungry neurons have the voltage they need to stay electrified. Pomegranate juice also boosts nitric oxide production, which dilates your arterial tree. This is critical because memory loss is often just vascular starvation. If the blood can't reach the hippocampus, you can't store new memories. By opening the gates with pomegranate juice, you are flooding your brain with oxygenated blood. You are securing your vascular integrity and ensuring that your brain speed stays high velocity. You are refusing to let your internal infrastructure bend collapse from low flow. The third essential liquid is tart cherry juice, specifically the Montmorency variety. This is the only juice that contains high concentrations of exogenous melatonin and tryptophan. Most seniors struggle with sleep fragmentation, waking up at 3:00 a.m. with a racing mind. This sleep sabotage is what kills your memory because your brain only consolidates information during deep delta wave sleep. Tart cherry juice signals to your pineal gland that it is safe to shut down. It calms the adrenal fire that keeps you in a state of hypervigilance. By securing a full sleep cycle, you are allowing your eyes to undergo deep cellular repair. The rods and cones in your eyes require complete darkness and high melatonin to reset their photopigments. If you cheat your sleep, you cheat your vision. Tart cherry juice guarantees the chemical environment required for ocular regeneration. You will notice your focus and mood stay acute because you have removed the toxic grit that causes sleep blockages. You are reinstalling a high-speed link between your will and your rest. The fourth miracle liquid is freshly cold-pressed carrot and ginger juice. Carrots are famous for beta-carotene, which your body converts into retinol, vitamin A, the fuel for your retinal purple. But the secret sauce here is the ginger. Ginger is a bioavailability enhancer. It heats up the digestive fire, ensuring that the carotenoids actually reach your eyes instead of just passing through your system. For a man or woman over 60, absorption is the bottleneck. You can eat all the carrots in the world, but if your gut is cold, your eyes stay starved. The gingerols in this juice also act as systemic anti-inflammatories. They silence the cytokine storms that cause optic nerve swelling and brain heat. High brain heat is what causes mental exhaustion and emotional fading. By cooling the system with this ginger-carrot synergy, you are vascularly insulating your nervous system. You will find that you can read for longer and think more clearly because your neural temperature is optimized. You are the architect of your own prime and refusing to let your vitality expire. Why is this juice audit viral among longevity surgeons? Because it targets pelvic and cranial stagnation. Most seniors are metabolically stagnant. Their fluids are thick. These 4 juices thin the sludge and restore the flow. Within 21 days of systemic loading, your skin elasticity and mental sharpness will return because you are finally clearing the debris of time. You are winning the war of attrition against biological erosion. You are choosing to stay connected to your strength. Neurological erasure is the silent predator of the 60-plus demographic. When you silence the sexual and visual systems, you starve the brain of repair signals. These juices reignite the mitochondrial momentum required to maintain your masculine or feminine edge. You are tricking your body into staying young. You are choosing to stay supple and resilient while everyone else is calcifying. You are refusing to let your internal infrastructure wither from nutritional neglect. Most seniors fail because they use sugar-laden, heat-pasteurized juices. These dead liquids have no enzymatic power. You must use raw, cold-pressed, or concentrated extracts to secure the neural benefits. You are investing in high-quality materials to repair a classic machine. You wouldn't put dirty fuel in a fine vehicle. Don't put refined sugar in your vision protocol. The resolution is in the regulation. You are mastering the bioavailability of your nightly repair. The integrity of your microcirculation determines your recovery speed. These juices irrigate the tiny vessels in your eyes and brain. You will find that the aches and pains of neural fatigue begin to lift because you are flushing out the pro-inflammatory debris. You are clearing the fog and restoring the flow. You are refusing to let your vitality expire early. You are choosing to thrive rather than just survive. You are winning the battle for your senses. Why over 60? Because after 60, your biological margin for error has vanished. You can no longer survive on stagnation. Your nervous system and your vascular system are brittle. They require active flushing. This liquid protocol is the primary tool of that maintenance. It keeps the lights on in your brain and the power moving in your core. You are securing your independence against the natural erosion of time. You are choosing to stay functionally young. The brain-eye connection is the master circuit. Your eyes are actually external brain tissue. If your eyes are failing, your brain is failing. These juices reset the circuit. They tell the brain it is safe to be active. This neurological peace allows for true vitality to return. You are optimizing the quality of your life at a genetic level. You are reinstalling a high-speed link between your vision and your memory. You are mastering your biological destiny. Physical decay is the dual threat where you lose sensation and gain confusion simultaneously. This protocol reverses the trend. It restores function while it flushes waste. You are trading weakness for responsiveness. You are modeling what it means to age with integrity. You are rejecting the stereotype of the frail senior. You are choosing to be the person who still sees the world with total clarity. You are the master of your own biochemistry. Mitochondrial density is the secret to longevity. By performing this liquid loading, you trigger the production of new power plants in your cells. This demands growth and repair. You will find you have the energy for afternoon hobbies and social engagement because your body is producing more ATP. You are starting a positive feedback loop. Physical health breeds confidence, and confidence breeds longevity. You are ensuring your physical autonomy for the next 30 years. The integrity of your vascular suppleness is protected by these high-potency nutrients. When you are stressed, your arteries are clamped shut. But when you reset the system with these juices, your arteries open up, relieving the pressure on your optic nerve. You are decompressing your entire sensory system. You will notice your evening brain fatigue begins to lift. You are refining the infrastructure of your human vehicle. You are ensuring a smooth ride. Most people fail because they mix the juices with heavy meals. You must consume these juices on an empty stomach to secure immediate absorption. You are investing in precision delivery. You wouldn't dilute a fine medicine. Don't dilute your longevity elixirs. The purity of the timing determines the success of the restore. You are mastering the art of the daily tune-up. You are reclaiming the grace of your younger years. Biological erasure is what happens when you stop feeding your repair mechanisms. This protocol restarts the project. It signals to your immune system to stay vigilant against neural decay. You are sterilizing your internal terrain against the erosion of time. You are ensuring that your metabolism stays responsive. It is biological peace for the senior machine. You are choosing to stay connected to the source of your power. The final habit is the master key to activating the vision memory flush and guaranteeing the nutrients actually so cross the blood-brain barrier while you sleep. And 99% of seniors get it wrong by drinking their juice and then staying in a brightly lit room. The final habit is the dark hydraulic pulse. Exactly 20 minutes after drinking your choice of these 4 juices, you must turn off all artificial lights and perform 1 minute of rapid eye blinking. This mechanical pumping signals to your ciliary muscles to pull the fresh, nutrient-rich blood into the retinal bed, guaranteeing that the repair enzymes reach the deep tissue. Furthermore, you must sleep with your head elevated by just 2 inches. This gentle gravity assists the glymphatic drainage of your brain, ensuring that the memories are locked in and the toxins are flushed out. Start this dark pulse habit tonight and reclaim your absolute clarity. Subscribe. Which advice will you start applying today?